Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Stellar. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price line was testing the support of Ichimoku bullish cloud. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that still the price line is testing this cloud as support. And by the way, during this move to the downside, you can see that the price is already rejected by this resistance zone from 45 to 49 cents. That was previously working as a support, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. Now, after this rejection, the price has recently broken down the conversion and the baseline of Ichimoku cloud. You can see that still both moving averages, this blue line and this brown line, are in bull cross. Like this blue line has already crossed a brown line. That is a very powerful bullish signal on this daily time frame, but the price line has broken down both moving averages, the conversion and the baseline of the Ichimoku cloud. And now these conversion and the baselines can work as a resistance for the price. And however, until or unless we will not receive the bear cross, there will be still a probability that we may see that the price and may make several more attempts to break out the next resistance, and it may not break down the support of Ichimoku bullish cloud. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern, and we will once again take a look at this very massive setup. That is a huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for STPT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 29th of December 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. Like here we had rejection, bounce, and two more touch points here. Then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price line broke out the resistance of this channel. Now, recently the price line is once again rejected by this resistance on that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents. This is a very significant resistance zone area that was previously breaking as support zone, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. Recently, the price was moved slightly down than this long-term support of 40 cents. That was recently also breaking as a resistance here and support here and support here. And now, again, the price line is slightly moved above this resistance of 40 cents. And at the same time, we also had this very significant support of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. A few days ago, for a few days, for almost 5 or 6 days, we broke it down, but now it is recovered back and now retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku cloud as support once again. The cloud is still bullish, but we have broken down these conversion and the baselines, these two moving averages inside this Ichimoku cloud. And these moving averages, these conversion and the baselines, can work as a resistance for the price and of Ichimoku cloud. However, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, and I'm expecting that as soon as the price breaks out this resistance line, it can also hit that target as well. That will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and very huge falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that now the price is very close to hit that target. Now, let me just show you this very massive setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And this is a very big ascending triangle. The resistance, by the way, moving slightly to the downside. And by the way, since after the month of July 2017, it is moving inside this triangle. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. Now, recently, the price line is again moving very close to the resistance for the past 3 months. And for example, after this rejection, if the price line tests the support of this triangle, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. And in case of breaking out this very long-term resistance, you can see that we have found this resistance here in the month of December 2017. Since then, the price is not able to break it out. But once it will be able to break out this resistance, we can expect a very, very massive long-term rally. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle, that can be a quite long-term target because this is a monthly time frame chart. And the long-term target will be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.